What if you had to start from $0? No savings, no handouts, just your phone and the internet. That's what I'm doing. I'm challenging myself to make $10,000 online from nothing, and every win, loss, and dollar earned will be shared right here. This isn't just about money. It's about proving that anyone can build something from scratch. Let's go. Welcome to the $0 to $10,000 Challenge, your roadmap to online success. Hey there, dreamers and go-getters. Imagine this, starting with absolutely nothing, $0, and building your way up to $10,000 entirely online. Sounds like a bold challenge, right? But here's the thing. It's not just possible. It's within your reach if you're willing to learn, take action, and stay consistent. Whether you're a young adult looking for extra income or an entrepreneur chasing financial freedom, this challenge is your chance to turn your ambition into results. So, let's dive in and break this down step by step. The power of starting small and thinking big. The first step in this journey is understanding that small actions lead to big outcomes. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge bank account to get started. What you do need is resourcefulness. Start by identifying your skills and interests. Are you good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even teaching? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy allow you to monetize these talents almost instantly. And if you're unsure where to start, don't worry. There are free online courses and YouTube tutorials to help you develop in-demand skills. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every dollar earned is a step closer to $10,000, building multiple streams of income. Now here's the secret sauce. Don't rely on just one source of income. Diversification is key. While you're offering services like freelancing or tutoring, think about creating passive income streams. This could mean starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel, or selling digital products like ebooks or templates. Yes, these take time to grow, but once they gain traction, they can generate income while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is another game changer. Recommend products you genuinely believe in and earn commissions for every sale through your unique links. The beauty of the online world is that opportunities are limitless, so don't box yourself in. Embracing consistency and the growth mindset. Let me tell you something. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's easy to feel discouraged when you hit roadblocks, but that's where the growth mindset comes in. Treat every challenge as a lesson and every failure as feedback. Set small, achievable goals, like earning your first $100, and celebrate those wins. Over time, consistency compounds. The effort you put in today will snowball into bigger and better results tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. The ultimate reward, financial freedom. Here's the best part of this challenge. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom and confidence that come with knowing you can create value from anywhere in the world. By the time you hit that $10,000 mark, you'll have gained skills, built systems, and developed a mindset that can take you even further. So, are you ready to take the leap? The journey from $0 to $10,000 starts with a single step, and that step begins today. Let's make it happen together. Remember, you've got everything you need to succeed within you. Now it's time to unleash it. Let's do this.